But there are YouTube videos with this stuff out here.
Mm-hmm.
But in watching those YouTube videos, even I noticed things that the educator was missing, or they should have made more of a point to explain.
Well, YouTube videos, yes, you can play them back, but to be actually live and in detail, live and in person with you as the instructor to see, well, this is where you can watch a video, but to be able to have somebody say, well, no, that's not you doing it. You may be going through the motion, but you're not doing it correctly per se. I think that's really the difference from coming in from taking your class, taking your course with you. That's one of the main differences. But I definitely learned a lot, being that it wasn't my first, introduced to it before. So being that I had been introduced to it before, I was not introduced into such detail. So I'm happy with the class, with the course.